Imagine you're looking out the airplane window, and suddenly you see fuel pouring out of the wing, thousands of liters released into the sky. Passengers panic. Is something wrong? Is the plane in danger? The truth is surprising. This is called fuel dumping, and it could save everyone on board. Why planes carry massive amounts of fuel? Airplanes carry enormous amounts of fuel. Long-distance aircraft can carry over 100,000 liters. This fuel is necessary for long flights across continents and oceans. But there's a problem. The heavier the plane, the harder it is to land safely. Weight is critical during landing. Too heavy, and the landing can damage the aircraft. Planes have maximum landing weight. Every aircraft has two important limits: maximum takeoff weight, maximum landing weight. Takeoff weight is always higher because fuel gets burned during flight. But if a plane must land suddenly after takeoff, it is still very heavy, too heavy to land safely. This creates serious risk. Fuel dumping reduces weight quickly. To solve this problem, pilots dump fuel. Fuel is released through special valves in the wings. This reduces the aircraft weight quickly, making landing safer. Fuel dumping only happens in emergencies, such as medical emergencies, engine problems, technical failures. Safety is always the priority. Fuel dumping is safe and controlled. Fuel dumping happens at high altitude, usually above 5,000 feet. At this height, fuel evaporates before reaching the ground. It turns into vapor. It does not fall like liquid. Pilots coordinate with air traffic control. They move to safe locations before dumping fuel. This ensures no danger to people below. Not all planes can dump fuel. Smaller planes cannot dump fuel. Instead, they burn fuel by flying in circles. Large aircraft like Boeing 777, Boeing 747, Airbus A350 have fuel dumping systems. These aircraft carry massive fuel loads. Fuel dumping makes emergency landing possible. Fuel dumping saves lives. Fuel dumping is not dangerous. It is a safety feature. It protects passengers, pilots, the aircraft. It allows safe emergency landings without damaging the plane. Next time you see fuel coming from a plane, don't panic. It means the pilots are making the aircraft safer. Fuel dumping is not a failure. It is protection. Subscribe for more aviation secrets pilots never tell passengers. Because flying is safer than you think. And the sky holds incredible secrets.